Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open Charles Schwab International Brokerage account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Google and search for Charles Schwab International Brokerage account. Click on the first official website that appears. Once you're on the page, you'll see the option Open Your Account. Click on it. Here, you'll find a list of the required information to open your account. You'll need your tax ID or social security number, a valid passport or government-issued ID, a recent utility bill such as gas, electricity, water, or cable, as proof of residency, your employer's name and mailing address if applicable, and access to a printer and scanner to print, sign, and upload the required documents. After preparing these, scroll down and select your region from the drop-down menu. Once you select your country, a new page will open where you can choose the type of account you want to open. Options include individual brokerage, joint brokerage, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, or rollover IRA. For this example, we'll choose an individual brokerage account. On the next page, you'll see detailed information about the process. Read carefully and make sure you have all the documents ready. Then, click on Get Started. Now, you'll need to fill out your personal details, including your first name, middle name, last name, home address, date of birth, social security number, email ID, and phone number. After filling in the required information, click Continue and follow the prompts to complete the application. Once everything is submitted, your Charles Schwab International Brokerage account will be created. And that's it. So that is how you can open Charles Schwab International Brokerage account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.